Oh my goodness, it's pretty.
Oh my god.
Come on in. Let's see what our view looks like. Oh, it smells good.
It smells like chocolate.
Woo. Let's see what our view is. Oh my gosh, this is the swan and the boardwalk.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is gorgeous, guys.
Oh, I could do this 24/7.
And Tower of Terror from our room.
Yeah. Look at the sky. You can see Avatar.
Hello, friends. All right, so we are staying at the Dolphin, Disney's Dolphin Hotel. We have never stayed at their Swan and Dolphin Hotel, but we decided to bring our vacation a day earlier. We're staying at Disney's Boardwalk Villas for 4 nights, and so we decided to come a day early, and we found a great deal on the Dolphin Hotel. We booked through Expedia, and we're here. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour and show you around. All right, here is our room. Woo, we just got in, kids are checking out the view. We are heading off to studios because it is a walk away, but as soon as you walk in, I'm just gonna show you guys, the color palette is gorgeous. It is blues and tans and white, really pretty. It looks like we have some bottles of water. I wonder if they're included. Sometimes they're not. Whenever we go on cruises, we know they're not. I wonder if this pulls out. Nope. Okay, so we have a little Mr. Coffee bar here. I don't know if they're pods. Oh, it looks like it comes with. We've got some Starbucks coffee, and then we have some tea and a couple cups and some tissue, a little makeup mirror. No chair here, but there's a chair over there. So I guess you could bring the chair over here and then use that as a makeup mirror and a getting ready place. Hello, guys. All right, we have a closet here. Definitely enough space to store all your clothes for your Disney trip. And if you had guests or kids and you wanted a little extra space who are staying here longer, we could maybe do the 2 rooms. They could have a room, we could have a room. All right, let's check out this bathroom. I haven't even been in here yet. Where's the light switch? Okay, it's on the side here. All right, so you got a little cubby here with citron and vetiver. That's nice. Those of you that are essential oil gurus, you know vetiver is really good. And citron, I'm assuming, is citrus. All right, I am wearing my Toy Story shirt. We are ready for Toy Story. So we have some sea glass going on. Really pretty soft lighting. Hey, we're just checking out the room.
Hey.
Hi. I'm just doing a really quick room tour so we can head off to studios. All right, we have a really nice tub and stand-up shower with tile. And really pretty blue artwork here. All right, let's go ahead and check out the room really quick. All right, we've got 2 double beds. There, it looks like there's a really pretty nightstand, and I love that it's open with the drawers, so you're not gonna forget your stuff. And there's an alarm clock, and okay, no USB chargers. Oh yeah, there's one. But then there's 2 plugs, which is great, so you can have extra charging of your devices. I feel like that's so helpful. We've got a phone, a chair here in the corner, which is nice, a little desk. That could be a great makeup area. I wish they would put the mirror over there. And then lots of storage for clothes. So we're only gonna be here one night. We're not gonna need it. But let's see, I'm assuming this is gonna be a fridge. Yes, it is. Most hotels have those nowadays, and I have grown to really love it. And then we have 4 of these drawers that are really nice. Really a lot of space. So if you have 4 family members, everybody could have a drawer. And you have storage down here too. So that is our room. Now we're gonna go check out the view and bring you along. Or you guys can talk now. Because nobody's gonna hear you.
The view.
Don't do it on purpose. Daddy, are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
We have an amazing view.
The view.
All right, if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.